Hi, I'm Rodriguez. You're in for another episode of Redros Mega Riff Tutorials. Right now we're going to look at a song called What Have You Done To Me that was released on Redro Rodriguez and is in the Demons album Easy Magic. First, like many of my songs, we start out with an open D, then an open A, then another open D. Then we go to 3rd fret, which would be F on the 3rd fret, A string on the 3rd fret, D string on the 3rd fret. Simple as fuck. Then back. And the rest is all blues after that. Both the verse and chorus are merely variations of that, so listen to the song, you'll feel it out. Probably where shit gets weird is the middle 8. So that's pretty octavey, so... Okay, so if we just go through the frets for that, we're on the 5th fret, we do an octave on the 5th string, and then we go to that other chord on the 5th fret. So basically we're fretting the D string. Down to the 3rd fret, then up to the 10th fret. I think that's it. It's a pretty easy video. Stay tuned for the next video of Redros Mega Riffs when I make it.